Thank you very much, Craig and Emma. Your full weather forecast brought to you by Crosby Sports Shop. With all your fishing needs, carrying ammo, Damascus knives, gold and silver buying and selling, and a novelty room. Concealed classes are available. Call today. Alrighty, here we are. A lot of active weather on the way, though. These are winter storm watches across the northern parts of the state. This will last until about 7 a.m. for your Thursday. Further off towards the west, so we do have winter weather advisories. Some of these will last until Thursday. Further off towards the west, they'll expire a little bit sooner. For accumulating snow for both of these areas, though, and for the winter weather advisory area, a little bit of ice cannot be ruled out either. No advisories near the Bangor area at this time. We'll keep an eye on it to see if that does change. Nothing in effect along the coast either at this point. But for now, just a few passing clouds in a few areas this morning, moving from the west to the east. Our next system is off toward the south at this point, and that's going to be bringing us the rain and snow and that wintry mix I'll be tracking in from the west going toward the east. So here it is right here, starting to move in. High pressure, keeping us nice. But this thing's going to be tracking off towards the east, which will open the door for this system to move in and giving us plenty of active weather very soon. So the winds will not be a big deal for us at all. They'll be very calm today, maybe increasing a little bit tonight. But tomorrow, some areas could see some gusts up to 30 miles per hour along the coast. I will not be surprised to see some advisories issued along the coast once the system gets going tomorrow. So otherwise, though, average high is 46 degrees. We'll reach for the 30s and 40s for the next few days, though. So not too far away from average, although we'll be below normal by about 10 degrees or so. So cooler, but nothing too ridiculous around here. It's starting to feel like winter around here. But moving forward, though, with your future cast for today, increasing clouds will be the general idea. The active weather really gets going later on tonight, though, or should I say early tomorrow morning. So tonight we become mostly cloudy. By about 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, the precipitation starts to move in from the southwest to the north and east, starting off as snow for a few of us, switching over to a little bit of a wintry mix, and eventually to all rain in a few spots, too, with a little bit of sleet before this tracks off towards the north and east and starts to back off a little bit overnight Wednesday night into parts of Thursday morning, with the clouds breaking up for a few of us as well. Here's another look at it, though, as the system tracks off towards the north and east, and it's kind of the same general idea. Starting off as snow, switching over to some rain, and sometimes a little bit of sleet from time to time, but a little bit of wraparound could not be ruled out either, especially as we head towards your Thursday with the gusty winds that do continue to stick around. So how much snow could we possibly see for a few areas, though? Some areas in the northern parts of the state where that winter storm watch could see some decent snowfall, though. This might be a little bit aggressive, but at least 6 to 10 inches cannot be ruled out. Maybe some isolated higher amounts to keep an eye on that in the northern parts of the state. But Bangor, a lot lower, barely an inch before we're all finished up, but maybe 2 to 5 inches in a few other areas, like Millinocket and a few other areas to the south before we're all finished up, and hardly anything along the coast. You can see there's a big cutoff, though, with regards to what kind of precipitation you can see and how much you can see. As will also be some rainfall as well. Some areas could see a lot, others not so much at all, maybe 3/4 of an inch of rain near the Bar Harbor area, but maybe just a little bit less near the Bangor area. So plenty of things to work out yet, though, but be ready. A wintry mix is on the way. Your forecast for today, lower 40s, partly cloudy with the wind overall looking nice and calm. Later on tonight, upper 20s, mostly cloudy, northeast breeze getting up to 5 miles per hour. Tomorrow, here we are, middle 30s, that wintry mix to rain, and also some sleet as well. So we're going to go from that wintry mix to some rain and some sleet mixing in with that east wind getting up to about 25 miles per hour. Alrighty, here's a look at your extended forecast brought to you by Crosby Sports Shop. So that wintry mix on Wednesday with rain and snow showers left over on Thursday. We're dry Friday and Saturday, temperatures remaining in the 30s.